Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel SRK Pune Academy, whose tagline is Made Simple. In our world-class manufacturing system, today we will study topic number 9, that is total quality management. In world-class manufacturing system, till now we have completed 8 topics, whose video are available on our channel. In the upcoming videos, we will complete all the remaining topics. So please stay with the channel, subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end so that you will become an expert in world-class manufacturing system. So, what exactly is total quality management? TQM is a management approach that focuses on long-term success by ensuring customer satisfaction through continuous improvement. The idea originated in Japan after World War II, with contributions from pioneers like W. Edwards Deming, Joseph Juran, and Koru Ishikawa. Instead of just fixing problems after they occur, TQM emphasizes doing things right the first time, reducing errors, and making sure the customer always gets the best value. TQM is built on 8 core principles. 1. Customer focus. The customer defines quality. Every process should deliver value to them. 2. Total employee involvement. Quality isn't just the job of managers. It involves everyone in the organization. 3. Process-centered approach. By improving processes, we improve outcomes. 4. Integrated system. All departments and functions must work together, not in isolation. 5. Strategic and systematic approach. Quality must be part of the company's vision and long-term strategy. 6. Continual improvement. Never settle. Always look for better ways to do things. 7. Fact-based decision-making. Rely on data, not assumptions. 8. Effective communication. Open and transparent communication ensures alignment and teamwork. When applied properly, TQM brings multiple benefits. Improved product and service quality, leading to satisfied customers. Higher efficiency, because waste and errors are reduced. Lower costs, since preventing problems is always cheaper than fixing them. Better teamwork and employee morale, because everyone contributes to success. And most importantly, a stronger competitive advantage in the marketplace. In short, TQM is not just about quality. It's about building a culture of excellence. Now, how is TQM different from traditional management? In traditional management, the focus is often on short-term profits, with quality checked only at the end through inspection. Responsibility lies with individuals, and mistakes are often blamed on workers. TQM, on the other hand, takes a long-term approach. Quality is built into the process itself, and responsibility is shared by teams. Instead of just inspecting, TQM focuses on preventing defects. This leads to continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. There are several powerful tools and techniques that support TQM. The PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act, a simple but effective method for continuous improvement. Quality circles, where small groups of employees meet regularly to solve work-related problems. Benchmarking, which compares processes with industry best practices. Six Sigma and Lean tools, used to reduce variation and eliminate waste. The Ishikawa or fishbone diagram, which identifies root causes of problems. And statistical process control, which uses data and charts to monitor performance. Together, these tools give managers and employees practical ways to improve. So, how do we implement TQM in an organization? The process usually involves 6 steps. First, top management commitment. Without leadership support, TQM will not succeed. Second, employee training and awareness, so that everyone understands quality concepts. Third, defining mission, vision, and quality policy to set a clear direction. Fourth, process analysis and improvement, identifying where changes are needed. Fifth, using quality tools and techniques to make improvements practical and measurable. And sixth, continuous feedback and monitoring to ensure progress and maintain momentum. TQM is not a one-time project. It is a continuous journey. Leadership plays a crucial role in total quality management. Leaders must set the vision and values of quality, provide resources and training, and create an environment where employees feel empowered to suggest improvements. They must also encourage teamwork and open communication, and most importantly, recognize and reward employees who contribute to quality improvements. Without strong leadership, TQM becomes just another initiative. With leadership, it becomes a powerful culture. Of course, implementing TQM is not without challenges. Common obstacles include resistance to change. Many employees prefer doing things the old way. Lack of leadership commitment. If leaders don't take it seriously, others won't either. Insufficient training. Employees need the right skills to contribute. Poor communication. Without clear communication, efforts get fragmented. And finally, a short-term focus, where organizations expect quick results instead of long-term benefits. Overcoming these challenges requires patience, persistence, and a cultural shift. Let's look at some success stories. Toyota used TQM and lean manufacturing to become one of the world's most reliable car makers. Motorola introduced Six Sigma as part of its TQM journey, saving billions of dollars in quality improvements. Infosys, an Indian IT company, built its reputation on quality-driven software delivery using TQM principles. These examples show that TQM is not limited to manufacturing. It can be applied to services, AT, healthcare, and even education. Let's summarize the key learnings. TQM is not just about improving processes, it's about changing the culture of an organization. It requires the involvement of everyone, from top management to frontline workers. Strong leadership commitment and employee participation are essential. The benefits of TQM go beyond cost savings. It creates loyal customers, motivated employees, and sustainable growth. In short, TQM is a long-term investment in excellence. Thank you for watching and understanding presentation. To get such important presentations, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Do comment and let us know how you like this video. Our next video will be on Kaizen. Thank you very much.